Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flirto developer. DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!